in all the ordered and executed state, like test cases. Yes, yes.
It's only a branch of your test suite.
Yes.
Correct.
No, the thing is, there is one folder called authoring, another folder called execution. So now it's not one folder where I have the test cases also with the test status passed or failed.
Correct.
It's another folder for execution. That's what I'm saying. The other folder has only pass fail status, but exactly the same as the one in authoring. Normally what we do is we have the same test case and which phase it is right now, just authoring, and then you change the phase to execution when it says pass or fail. We don't really copy the whole suite again in another folder and then start execution.
Yeah, so as far as these guys' understanding is, if there are multiple runs, you will not change the same master data, but you will create the copies and name it.
The whole set gets
the whole set and you
so
name
many
it.
times.
Yeah. So branching is what is not very good in Java, but that's what they are doing. But is there an overall status indicator which shows in this particular branch how many passed, how many failed? You have a dashboard kind of thing?
Yes, but I'm not aware of that one. But Krupal
No,
knows, I
okay.
think.
Yeah, maybe we can find out.
See, this item is having delivery profile of AAA. Create an order with this item using those items.
The customer you're talking about. Account.
Hello?
For creating order.
CSC. CSC. CSC ಅಲ್ವಾ?
We create
ನೀರ್ ಎక్కడ?
schedule at the time
ನೀರ್
of
ಎక్కడ?
item creation or at the time of after order creation. In general,
అందుకే
process
ఫాస్ట్
use-
వచ్చాను. ఫైర్ డ్రైవ్
use- as you said, like create an order and the regular schedule.
పొద్దున
change
meeting
the
ఎట్లా లేవా?
then create a shipping.
No,
Podduna
like,
meeting attend ayva?
actually the thing is like in order to create release request with shipping schedule, in order to
Adhe-
release any
adhe
item,
meeting.
like shipping schedule looks for only backorder quantity. That's the reason I'm changing that status to backorder for testing purpose. Like we will get like whatever the scenarios that from client environment, right? That's the reason. We know that those shipping schedules are looking for only backorder quantity bucket. That's the reason we'll make this order status to backorder. Then it automatically picks the quantity from backorder bucket only. Then only the total process will be done.
Just my general question is, when we have to create the shipping schedule, at the time of item creation itself, we have an option to
No, like item creation, it's a part of it. It is a part of shipping schedule. Like we are able to create shipping schedule for that item, like OST type. Like few items categorized as OST items, few are one day lay down items. Like in order to create OST shipping schedule, we need OST items. Okay. While creating item, we must, I think date was not updated in QA. Which date it was there? I don't know.
Hmm.
29th, 28th.
Hmm.
Database.
comes from the database.
Actually, every day one data update patch was running by itself. System like it was a scheduled one. Then it will update the current system data's current date. In QA, like due to batch process or something, date was not updated. I don't know what exactly. We need to check in database. What is the date in QA?
Should not be a future date. That's what.
Means it is very past, like a 25th or 24th. I'm not sure. If we open the database, then we are not able to access the society also. The date of the QA is 25. It was not updated till
The system
date.
date of the QA is 25.
25th. It's not updated. I don't know.
September.
25th of the September. I think those batches was not running or. We also had an access of updating date. For date only, we had an update releases in SIT and QA also.
That's good.
We have the document for this shipping schedule.
Yeah.
The objective, purpose, and why we need.
Everything was
You will
shown.
send it, right?
PSD.
Hello? చెప్పు నేను ఆల్రెడీ టికెట్స్ బుక్ చేసేసాను, అది క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి 20 అంత అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంది, నేను బుక్ చేస్తామట, మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు రిస్క్లో పెట్టడం ఎందుకని. 20 అవైలబిలిటీ ఉన్నాయి ఆ కోకెనడాలో, సో నేను అందులోనే చేశాను. అదే లేదు వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ కాకినాడలోనే దిగుతారు. కాకినాడే 2 టైర్లోనే చేసాం. సరే సరే నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను, ఓకేనా? బాయ్. So order got created. Like we need to create, like while creating order, we just change the status to back order. It's in regular status, right? Just change it to back order. And you change the header status, automatically line status got released.
That is not going to work,
Okay.
no?
And shipping schedule, like after next processes we need to create shipping schedule, but shipping schedule is already created. As we don't have a new items, just create release request for this shipping schedule. Release by shipping schedule.
We have to submit the release request. Then after running the order batch processing, again we need to do any other action, or just we have to see the whether it is
Like,
moving from
what will
submit
be
to
the
submit to process, right?
Like if we create any new item and assign any shipping schedule, like OST or mass market with a future OST like 2014 or 15, it's not a part of any shipping schedule. Like shipping schedule type will be blank in the item screen. At that time, like if you want to change the on sale date of that item, you are able to change that item. Like if that same item is already a part of shipping schedule and if there is a release request which processes straight, means when we submit, once the batches got run, the status of that shipping schedule changes to processed release request. At that time we are not able to change that shipping schedule or OST date, any fields. It was displaying a pop-up like it's already part of shipping schedule.
Yeah, it's fair.
Mass market and on-sale demand is similar, right? That's similar.
Both are
Dates
similar.
and everything.
Yeah, no, actually release dates were populated for OST, but for mass market the total dates are same, like release date.
The release types is different. Initial for OSD and gallery and some
Galley. galley for mass market, and cleanup is common for both. See, like though that order got released on 10 October 2nd, and whatever the items which we have used.
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, Oscar,
629 4099
no,
629 and 4028.
That's fine. All right, Oscar. Wait, hold on.
4028. 4028. Let's see. Okay. And we have created release request for these two items only. Then submit. Like if you want to see the soft allocator status, then go to build to screen. And one more thing for mass market, in order to use any account for mass market galley, this mass market galley should be S. For OST, no need of checking this one.
When we are
For
getting as customer,
choose any, select any customer and assign this, change this mass market galley as S, and delivery profile. For this delivery profile, just change it to A. So this delivery profile for this
I have
account is
one general question here in this screen. Forgot to ask that previously. When we create an organization, I know that organization number will be auto-generated. Okay, but account, do we use any specific? It is also an auto-generated.
No, actually, if you want to create an account, any new account under any already existing organization.
A new organization, new account.
Okay, at that time just create an account. Account number was created by system itself.
Account number
and organization also.
Okay.
And if you have another option of creating new account, another already existing organization. At that time just mention any existing organization and create an account. At that time account automatically added to those that organization.
Yeah.
Okay. See, whatever the account I have used for this shipping schedule is EA. Then if we run this pre-processing batches, the status of this order change it to soft allocated, because the release date is 10/9, October 9th. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Like we had already option of changing this one manually.
Software means it will be future be.
Another status like a usable balance hard allocated.
It will not be backordered, it is software allocated so that
Actually,
when
that
not-
was decreased from like whenever you placed an order, it automatically like decreased your order quantity from usable balance. At that time, if your order got released, it automatically decreases from usable balance and increases the hard allocated quantity in the normal cases.
Got it.
But in this shipping schedule, like when the release date is in future, at that time it moves to soft allocated. Then when release date reaches, it moves to hard allocated.
Got it.
Okay. Then shipment was done, it removes from hard allocated also. Okay. And for like if you want to change your date, like you don't want to wait like until second, you also had an option of changing this date. 09 30 2013. Okay, just save. Got saved. Like if you create use any account with these two items by having delivery profile AAA, that order got released today itself. Okay, like based on your convenience, you are able to change the release dates also, only release dates. Okay.
We can change the release dates even after submitting.
Yeah. Until unless the it changes to processor
Process.
request, you are able to do any changes. Okay.
Again, we have to submit it after changing the dates.
Yeah. No need of submitting. It's status and submitted only, right?
Okay.
Just save. Then whatever the changes you have done, those are got saved. That's all about OST and mass market. Those are same only. Like if you are doing these scenarios, then you'll got an idea how it changes from release it to if you create order on today, just change this AAA date to today's date and EA to tomorrow's date. We have an option of changing these dates and CRT. Like within the span of 3 days, it will show you'll able to see all the 3 status, like from back order to soft allocated to released. Okay, and if you need to check, these should be the items which you have used should have a back order quantity. If it is not having back order quantity, just create an order with the first time. If it goes to back order, means that back order quantity bucket will be increased with the order quantity. That's the reason I'm saying that you, like if any item is not having back order quantity, create an order, change the back order status and run the batches without submitting the release request. At that time, back order quantity bucket will be increased with your order quantity. Clear?
So that means we had to create a shipping schedule after our processing.
Like if that item is not having any back order quantity.
So
if it is having,
we should have, we'll see the back order quantity only after processing an order and when it went to back order. Right?
means like see these items having back order quantity of 3827. Like this item is used in so many orders. At that time, so many times it goes to back order status. Right. At that time, the back order quantity bucket was increased to 3827. Like if it is not having any back order quantity, like it is 0, then shipping schedule won't look for usable balance. It looks for only back order bucket.
So
in order to process order through shipping schedule.
Start the back order. Not even the back order status. It looks for only
back order quantity. Okay.
This was tested during this phase, the whole all this shipping
I think last year, maybe it's in last year ending October or something, we got this OST. Previously we didn't have this OST and mass market. We have only like one day lay down, new book items, those shipping schedules only. After it goes to live only, they'll give a like a small project, this OST thing as a small project. See, and when we click on the search and the add item, and your screen would be, see, I have already told you like OST, like it will checks for 2 dates previous day also. Actually shipping schedule date is 10/29. Like when we click on search items, it will displays all the items which is having these dates 10/28 and 10/29. If you want to add any item, just select those items and click on that. Those items will add to your shipping schedule.
from
If-
here.
Search and
Yeah.
to
It's like a search screen. Search screen with the like for this shipping schedule, like it is already on sale date is populated as October 29th, 2013.
Okay.
Like in order to add items for this shipping schedule, just click on search and add item in this screen.
This screen is for adding an item to an existing.
Yes.
Okay.
It is a search screen. It
Okay.
will displays all the items which is having these on sale dates.
Only for OST item, not for other.
It will displays all the items which are having this on sale date of like existing shipping schedules on sale date, which are like suitable for this shipping schedule. Okay. When we click on add item, it will be added to your just save. That's all about the OST and mass market shipping schedule, and we have a backlist. We have backlist, calendar, and galley. We are not supposed to use galley. Like it don't allow us to use also like galley. A new book and one day later. I have already told you like while explaining on the first day itself, one day later. Like if we select this one day later, if you want to release any items through one day later on shipping schedule, at that time we need to select item with the shipping schedule type of one day later. Same thing as
create maintain items.
same thing. In place of OST, there is a one day later new book. Okay. For I have already told you that for mass market and OST only, this on sale date would be populated. The rest of the things it won't populate. It doesn't look for on sale dates. Okay. Just create this. Same process, like it's also looking for back order quantity, back order bucket only. If we use any item with NYP status, let's create an order and change the status to back order, and when we submit, same thing, everything. this is already existing shipping schedule of 1 day later. Just item screen.
Create maintain item.
See, this is a 1 day laid down item. Okay, like if it is having onset date also, don't look for like in order to change whenever the non-standard flag is checked, it automatically indicates as its item is related to 1 day laid down. Okay, whenever the OSD indicator like its non-standard flag is unchecked, the OSD indicator is checked, like OSD indicator is showing as S, it automatically shows like a shipping schedule is on sale date or mass market. Okay, if the format is 01 and it is OSD indicator as S, automatically the item is belongs to mass market. Yes.
Zero mass market.
If it is like only like any other format with the OSD indicator as S and non-standard flag, when
on day later.
no, whenever the non-standard flag is checked, it automatically like it never looks for any other field.
Okay.
It like blindly we follow it as a 1 day lay down item.
Okay.
Okay.
Check it.
Automatically system assigns whenever you check this non-standard flag. We had an option of selecting like while creating item from pub tracker, we had a field non-standard flag. If you check that item, whenever it flows to OTC, it automatically assigns as 1 day lay down only. Okay. If you uncheck this one and if we change this one, it automatically asks for shipping schedule type should be changed to OSD. Okay, and this is already like when shipping schedule is created for 1 day later.
You
That
come
is
here and add the
pre-populated.
shipping schedule.
No, actually it was already didn't find new items. That's the reason I have taken all the
When
existing
we
items.
when we add the shipping schedule name in item screen.
No, actually, like if you see, this is a shipping schedule screen. If you want to create any shipping schedule with the items not part of any shipping schedule, at the time when you enter those items in just save, automatically the shipping schedule what you have entered in this shipping schedule screen will be populated, and it's not a editable field. We are not able to change. This was from that screen only. Okay. And same thing, like same release request. Same process. We need to select the same 1 day later, whatever the shipping schedule, and release dates. We need to select the release date. System won't populate. Like today's date only. Just save it. Press submitted. Same process for everything. Like based on your request, like it's if you like requested like create a release request of 1 day later, just go through this one. And we have a new book also, same process. New book is also type of shipping schedule. For your practice, just look search for recent shipping schedules. At that time it will be useful. So no shipping schedule is there. So this is new book. In order to check for this, you need to search for new book item. We had already option option of searching from this screen, but your like this item is having usable balance or not. We are not supposed to like. It is a OP item, but for us we should like we need a usable balance item and NYP item. That's the reason we need to search from search item screen. Okay. See this shipping there is no shipping schedule for this item. Like if you want to create a new book shipping schedule for this shipping schedule, just add other thing there for new book.
Not sure whether this item is associated to any order or not. Right?
Actually, I'm saying about like shipping schedule, like
Okay.
how it populates. Like see, one new book, like a new book shipping schedule is created for this item. Just again requery with this item in the item screen. See, that shipping schedule was added. It's a part of shipping schedule. The only difference for new book and OST shipping schedule is OST indicator. If it is an S, automatically it changes to OST. Like from OST to new book, we are able to change from OST shipping schedule to new book, but we are not able to change from new book to OST. Okay. Vice versa is not
Not
possible.
possible, let us see.
If we select this like backlist, it will release us in the first release itself. It will release like it don't look for any date. Whenever you submit any release request with backlist, it will release the same day itself. It don't checks for anything.
Release date?
Like it don't check for any release date.
It will process immediately after running the batch process?
Yes. Whether it is like OST backlist also. Like I think OST, it's, I don't think so. Whether it is possible or not.
Okay.
If we select this backlist for any shipping schedule, it won't looks for any dates. It was released on that day only. Okay. Like for any shipping schedules, we are able to select this backlist. It won't populate any release dates. Okay. I think that's all about shipping schedules. Just create few orders if you don't have any doubts or clear.
We can call to your wife, right?
Sorry.
We can call to your extension if you have any doubt.
You are always welcome.
Applications today, all applications in SIT DB are not accessible actually. We are not able to proceed anything in SIT.
Oh, okay. So any information from them?